Welcome to today's class. In today's learning, I'll be teaching you something different. Yes, we all know that previously, before you create a thumbnail on your Facebook video, you must have a Creator Studio or a Meta Business app. Yes, a Meta Business Suite app. Okay, but all of a sudden, the Creator Studio was taken down by Facebook, and the Meta Business Suite does not have that provision of creating a thumbnail for your videos. Now, I have done a wonderful video for you, of which you're about to watch, on how to create a thumbnail that will make your video attract massive turnout of viewers. Yes, I'm telling you the truth. Now, sit tight. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. Now, at the end of the video, you will now know how to create thumbnail to be part of your video. Remember, if you fail to sit tight and watch to the end, you will not grab the format. Remember to like my page, like that page, Mr. Nwosu, the city teacher. If you have not followed, now remember to like this video and comment on the type of content you want me to create for you, or what you want to learn more further. I'm always there for you. Hope you are ready. Let's go. The first step is to open the app Facebook. Now it's opened. You scroll down to the menu. Yes, tap on the menu. Once it opens, you go up, tap on this. I have 9 pages. Then I'm picking Mr. Nwosu's city teacher page. Now it is opened. Okay, haven't done that. Please click on this particular side. What is the menu down of the page? Haven't clicked on that. You click on the top. Haven't done that. To come down here, you can see what is in your mind. Tap on it. Okay, then click on the photo video part. Now this is my videos and everything I have in my gallery. I pick this video. Remember, at that particular part, I have everything there, including the thumbnail. Then you click on this particular place. Yes, when you click here, what do you do there? You now type the title of the video. Okay, but this one you are typing here will not appear. Remember, when you are done typing, it will not appear on your video. Please, if you want the title to appear in your video, repeat the same thing you type there on the description part. Yes, if you find out, I'm going to do that. Once you are done, you tap on it. Remember you to repeat whatever you have here at the description to enable it appear on your video. Yes, as a title. So I haven't done that. You will see I'm repeating the same thing here at the description to enable it appear. Please never you fail to do so. Okay, let's wait while I type. That of the video is 10 ways of handling unexpected questions from students by teachers. Now that's the title of the video. Okay, now I haven't done that. What should I do next? Let's wait while I finish up the typing. Okay, you click on this, then click on edit cover. Now, if you watch what's happening here, I will scroll it to the last part, to the first part, sorry. Then take the part I want and click on save. Okay, haven't done that. I'll click here, okay, to create a reel from the
10 best ways.
Now, I haven't done that. Can't you see what is happening here? I'm about creating a reel from the video. 10 best ways of handling. Then try to click on here to
unexpected questions.
Haven't done that. It will stop at that point, which from the thumbnail. Then add your caption. Remember to repeat the same caption you have on the video itself. So if somebody is watching, they can be able to link up the video from the reel. That is the essence of doing so. Now, reel goes viral once it's created. So from your reel, if created from the video, the person interested in your video can, from the reel, link up to that video. Hope you can see the title repeated at the reel point. Haven't done that? I will click on scheduling option. I want to schedule the video. Now I can try to share it to my different Facebook groups, at least 3 of them. Then click on post. Once done, this thumbnail will appear on my video.